Hey everyone, get ready for an exciting Amigurumi animal adventure with me. In this tutorial, we will be creating the animal body base together. It's quick, easy, and great for markets. And don't worry, we will save the head and tail of each animal for future tutorials. We will learn how to flatten the legs for a sturdy stand and seamlessly change colors like a bro. Now, I know many of you have been asking for translated patterns, so in this video I will be speaking while I crochet and subtitles for the pattern will be provided. Don't worry, I will still be providing the written pattern in English as well. I used a 2.5mm crochet hook and 100% sport weight cotton yarn, but feel free to use any yarn and its proper hook of your choice. So without further ado, let's jump right in. To start, we will crochet by making 6 single crochet stitches in a magic ring. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then slip stitch in the next stitch. Moving on to the second round, chain 1, then make 6 increases. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. Moving on to the third round, chain 1, then we will make 12 increases. Here's 1 and 2, continuing this until we reach the end of this round. Now we have a total of 24 single crochet stitches for this round. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. Now chain 1, and for the next round we will work in the back post of the stitches. To do this, insert your hook from the back to the front, pull the yarn, then work around the post of the stitch to create a single crochet stitch. Let's repeat this process, making back post single crochet stitches until we reach the end of this round. Great! Now that we have finished the round, pay close attention to our next move. We will slip stitch in the back loop of the next stitch. But instead of using the same yarn, insert your hook into that stitch and pull the thread of the blue yarn. Now we have 2 threads of yarn to work with for our next round. Okay, so now make sure you're comfortable with your yarn, wrap them around your finger, and pull them tight enough. Now insert your hook into the same stitch we slip stitched into. Yarn under using the white yarn, pull the yarn, then yarn over using the blue yarn, and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on your hook. Now repeat this process until you finish this round. Once done, cut the white yarn, slip stitch in the next stitch using the blue yarn, and we will count this stitch as the first stitch of the next round. But before we continue, make sure to hide these yarn tails. Then cut a circle with cardboard paper with a 2 cm diameter and glue it to the base. Moving on to the next round, we have already made the first stitch, then make a decrease. Following that, make 2 single crochet stitches and another decrease. And repeat this sequence 4 more times. Finally, make a single crochet stitch, leaving us with a total of 18 single crochet stitches for this round. Okay, so from this point on, we will be working with continuous rounds. For the next round, make 18 single crochet stitches. In the following round, make a single crochet stitch and a decrease, and repeat this sequence 6 times. That will leave us with 12 single crochet stitches for the 8th round. Now for the 9th, 10th, and 11th rounds, simply make 12 single crochet stitches around the leg. Okay, so now we have finished round number 11, fasten off, stuff the leg, and let's move on creating the second leg. Alright, so here's our second leg, but we are not going to fasten off. As you can see, we have successfully solved the color change problem, and now it can be a bit tricky to detect due to the seamless color change technique we used. To attach the legs, we will make 9 single crochet stitches on the second leg. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then chain 2. Now instead of starting from the first stitch of the next round on the first leg, which is where we slip stitched into before, we will skip 1, 2, 3 stitches and begin working from the 4th stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make 12 single crochet stitches around the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have reached the first stitch we skipped earlier, so that's 10. 11 and 12. Next we reach the 2 chains, so make 2 single crochet stitches on the back palms of the 2 chains. Finally, finish the round by making 3 single crochet stitches on the second leg. This leaves us with a total of 28 single crochet stitches for round 12. From this point onward, we will be speeding through the base unless there is an important tip that I need to highlight. So for round 13, let's make 28 single crochet stitches around the leg. Moving on to round 14, make 3 single crochet stitches, followed by an increase, then 13 single crochet stitches, another increase, and finally 10 single crochet stitches. This will give us a total of 30 single crochet stitches for round 14. Now for round 15, we will make 3 single crochet stitches, an increase, 6 single crochet stitches, 2 increases, 6 single crochet stitches, another increase, 6 single crochet stitches, 2 increases, and finally 3 single crochet stitches. This will give us a total of 36 single crochet stitches for round 15. For rounds 16, 17, 18, and 19, simply make 36 single crochet stitches around. Moving on to round 20, make 3 single crochet stitches, followed by a decrease, then repeat the sequence of 4 single crochet stitches, decrease 5 times. Finish the round with a single crochet stitch, giving us a total of 30 single crochet stitches. Round 21 is pretty straightforward, just make 30 single crochet stitches. In round 22, make 3 single crochet stitches, decrease, and repeat the sequence 6 times. This will leave us with 24 single crochet stitches for this round. For rounds 23 and 24, simply make 24 single crochet stitches around. Now it's time to attach the arms. To make the arms, start by making 6 single crochet stitches in a magic ring. Then for the second round, make 6 increases. When we reach the third round, we will be working in the back loops of the stitches. Make 11 single crochet stitches around, and when you reach the last stitch of this round, yarn under using the white yarn, then yarn over using the blue yarn. For the next round, we will use the same technique we used for the legs. Yarn under using the white yarn, then yarn over using the blue yarn to make 12 single crochet stitches for this round. Now hide the tails. For rounds 5 and 6, simply make 12 single crochet stitches using only the blue yarn. In round 7, make 2 single crochet stitches, a decrease, then repeat this sequence 3 times. This will give us a total of 9 single crochet stitches for this round. For rounds 8 and 9, make 9 single crochet stitches around. In round 10, make single crochet, a decrease, and repeat the sequence 3 times. This will give us 6 single crochet stitches. Finally, make 6 single crochet stitches for rounds 11 and 12. Slip stitch in the next stitch, fasten off, and leave a long tail. Repeat these steps to make 2 arms. Now, getting back to the body, we have reached round 25. Make 5 single crochet stitches on the body. Then make 6 single crochet stitches around the first arm. But before we do that, make sure to position the point where we changed colors on each arm to face the sides of the body. This little trick will give our amigurumi a polished look. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stitches on the first arm. Next, make 12 single crochet stitches on the body, followed by 6 single crochet stitches on the second arm. Finally, make 7 single crochet stitches on the body, leaving us with a total of 36 single crochet stitches for round 25. To close the gap between each arm and the body, take a yarn needle and use the long tail we left on each arm to sew them securely to the body. Then hide the tails. Now it's time to continue stuffing the body. Moving on to round 26, make 4 single crochet stitches, a decrease, repeated 6 times. This will leave us with 30 single crochet stitches for this round. Next, we will incorporate wire between the arms. I used 2.5mm electrical wire. Okay, so first, let's strip the ends of the wire by removing the insulation. Now take some tape and wrap it tightly around the ends of the wire, making sure it's secured. Once done, insert the wire like this. This step will make the shoulders stronger to hold the neck and give you the option to easily adjust the shape of the arms. For round 27, make 3 single crochet stitches, a decrease, and repeat the sequence 6 times. This will give us a total of 24 single crochet stitches. Now continue stuffing the body as needed. For round 28, make 2 single crochet stitches, followed by single crochet, decrease repeated twice. Then make 3 single crochet stitches, a decrease, 2 single crochet stitches, a decrease, single crochet, decrease, 2 single crochet stitches, and a decrease. This will leave us with 18 single crochet stitches. Pay attention to firmly stuffing the neck foundation, ensuring there are no spaces around the wire. For round 29, make a single crochet decrease and repeat the sequence 6 times. This will give us 12 single crochet stitches. In round 30, make 2 single crochet stitches, a decrease, and repeat the sequence 3 times. This will leave us with 9 single crochet stitches. For rounds 31 to 35, simply make 9 single crochet stitches around. Now stuff the neck, fasten off, and leave a long tail. Use a sewing needle to weave the yarn tail through the front loops of the last round. Pull it tightly to close the hole. And that's it! We have finished the body base of our amigurumi.